welcome to my vlog. This is entry number 13 and we'll get started. My last trade from April 9th to 24th made about $210 after commissions, and on to my current trade. After re-looking at my goal, I am going to try and double my account within a year. My opening balance is here. Check out my daily charts on Instagram and keep energized with my favorite excess energy drink. Links in the description on my webpage. My current trade, I had got in on the 26th. I forgot to move the arrow a little bit. Okay, so Friday we saw some strength and it helped a lot. I was very relieved, but my finger's on the trigger. It looks like the trade talks have stalled, and I hate how the news will determine how stocks go. So we're gonna see if I don't like betting against Trump exactly. I'm not saying he's my boy exactly, because he says some ridiculous things, but I also he likes to win and it shows. So we're gonna see. I don't like where it started. I've looked at it pre-market, and pre-market stuff and futures are down a lot. So we're going to have to see if there's some strength or not, but my finger is going to be on the trigger because I don't want to lose big. So we're going to see how it goes. Today I want to talk a little bit about the MACD. I don't have a new website for you to go over to, but the tool itself, the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. It's the indicator right there at the bottom. For the most part, I couldn't tell you precisely how mathematically it's configured, and you can change it different ways, but basically, when the two lines, and it's drawn different ways, when the two lines cross, it is supposed to signify the change in direction, the change in trend. This is one of the better or more commonly used indicators, and it's pretty impressive. It shows nicely how changes in direction, but it is just an indicator. If I was going to base a system and rules on that, this would probably be the one I would use. The RSI is helpful, but I'll talk about that a little bit more later. But it's not the same kind of solid get in or get out point. So anyway, it's a really helpful indicator. If nothing else, take a look at it while you're looking at different charts and you'll see what I mean. Again, hopefully my target is still going to be $330, but it's looking pretty dicey. It's showing a lot of downward movement and volatility, so we're just going to have to see. To learn my method, and you can go on Udemy, and the first person that comments on this course can get a free coupon. And if you want to look at the exact trades I'm making, you can follow me on Patreon. For $1, 8 more people can get it a month, so check those out. And as always, don't look for a fair fight.